What's wrong with you, Henry? You've got lots of new parts and new paint too, but they've done you no good. If we can't make you feel better, we must get another engine instead of you to do the work. What do you think is wrong with Henry, Fluttershy? Perhaps if he had Welsh coal, he'd be a different engine. It is rather expensive to import from Wales to Sodor, but I believe Henry must have a fair chance. I'll make arrangements to have a special order made right away. How are you, Henry? Have a good fire going, Fluttershy? No record breaking, please. Don't push him too hard, Fluttershy.